Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of Dyson HP09 purifier, and this is called a formaldehyde purifying fan as well. So this gun got hot and cold air. So in the box we get the purifier and the remote. So that's all basically. I believe the filter is already fixed inside. So let's open the package and see. Just remove the polythene cover. So So just remove all the package. So this is how it looks. So, yeah. Let's remove and see how the filter looks. Okay, so the filter is already installed inside. So this is the HEPA filter, and you can see that the seals are very good. So it's like rubber seals all around. Yeah. So the whole filter is covered with a rubber seal. So same in this side as well. So So after some time, so you will need to remove this this filter, but you don't need to remove this one. So it's the yeah. The build quality is very good, so I can feel it. So, yeah, let's fix the filter again, and let's turn on the machine. Removing the filter is very easy, so you just need to press this button here, and same in the other side, and this two will pop up, so both filters will pop up in one go. So yeah, let's turn on the fan and see how it's performing. Okay guys, so I connected the Dyson air purifier to the power, so let's turn on and see how it performs. So I'm gonna turn on from the remote. So right now it's coming, the cold air is coming, and in the same time it's monitoring the air quality in the room. So okay, so we can, with this we can rotate the machine, and you can adjust the fan speed from this one. Yeah, and this is the heat. So from 2 degrees to, it can go up to okay, you can increase the temperature up to 37. Yeah, I can feel now the hot air is coming from the machine. Yeah, right now it's 26 degrees in Melbourne. So yeah. Okay, yeah, just pressing this button will give cool air, and let's increase. And this is the night mode. So when we turn on the night mode, so it's basically, so to turn on the night mode, so just click this like half moon sign, and so yeah, so it's basically, it turns the fan speed to 4, and also it dims the screen here. So it's very, at the moment the brightness is very low, and when I turn off the night mode, so it goes back to the previous speed, and also brightens the speed and shows the air quality. And with this we can set a timer, so 30 minutes really we can shift. Yeah, so 30 minutes if you want to go. Yeah. Yeah, you just press the timer again, so then the hours change. So basically you can set it to 1 hour, 8 hour, something like that. And also this is the rotating function, so you can basically set how many degrees you want machine to turn. So let's set it to 360 and 350 and see how it's rotating. Okay. Yeah, it yeah, it turns almost a circle, but just like 10 degrees is missing, so we can set it to 350 degree turn. So it's turning all the way. Okay, just turn off the rotating function. So it's pretty much it in the, that's all I can see in the remote. Also you can set this up for the phone as well. So yeah, I'll do a video with how to set up the phone as well. Also this got a, like basically you can put the remote on top of the fan, so a purifier. So this is supposed to be magnetic, so let's see, it's magnetic. So oh. Yeah, so what you can do is we can, yeah, there's a small magnet here, so yeah, you can basically keep it like this. So it doesn't work like this or this, it's just gonna fall down, so it's only stick on top. Yeah, so yeah. So as per the purifier, so at the moment the air quality is good. Just to see how whether this is actually working, I'm gonna do a test. Like I'm gonna light a I got an, yeah, I'm gonna just light a scented smoke stick. So let's see whether this detects anything. Okay guys, I just lit a incense stick, so I'm gonna take this near the machine and see how the whether it's pick any readings. Let's see. Yeah, we can see that the machine is picking the smoke, and the PM 2.5 value went up, and yeah, so it went to the critical reading. Yeah, the machine basically picks the smoke, and yeah, we can see how the readings are changing, so it's definitely working. It's not yeah. So guys, I just removed the incense stick, but as you can see, still the values are high because the smoke is still in the room, and I can smell the incense smoke smell as well. So yeah, so definitely this machine is working properly, and it's picking up the smoke and trapping it inside this filter. So yeah, and I don't feel any smoke coming out of the fan, or and with and or I didn't smell any like inside smoke as well. So it's basically trapping everything inside the filter. So this is working yeah, perfectly. um, So I bought this from Good Guys Australia. So at the moment there's a Boxing Day sale, and the price was around 870 something Australian dollars. So, but I got a little bit discount from Good Guys since I bought a few other stuff. So yeah, still yeah, if you find a deal, maybe Black Friday or Good Guys, so I think this is a very good product. And let's see how the mobile app works. So I'm just gonna link the purifier to the app. Okay, so at the moment in Good Guys Australia, so you can see the uh, price as $899. So the this model is HP09. Basically this gives hot and cold, yeah, so we can use this as a heat as well in winter. So yeah, so this is what you see in Good Guys, and yeah, so like they have the Boxing Day sale. So yeah, and let's see how um, we can link the Dyson app. So this is I'm in the Dyson app now, and you need to turn on the air purifier. And still it's reading few values from the instance stick. So yeah, so anyway, let's link the machine to the app and see what features it got. Yeah, so to link the machine you need to like turn on the purifier, and also then you need to go to the Dyson app, and once you select add machine, and the machine will pop up in here. So on your machine, so I'll press this. Yep, done. And now it's pairing to the machine. Okay, continue setup, and I'm gonna select my Wi-Fi. Okay, I just added the Wi-Fi password, and yeah, it's confirming the connection. Okay. Oh. So it looks like I entered the wrong password. Okay, so I just entered the Wi-Fi password, and now it's confirming the connection. Okay. Okay, I just entered the Wi-Fi password. Okay, it's confirming the connection. Okay, looks like now it's connected. Let's continue. Select room. So I'm gonna put this in the master bedroom. So select master bedroom. Confirm. Purchase. Got it on boxing. So it's okay. Okay, now it's connected to the app, and you can see the current temperature in the room, and also the, I believe this is the humidity. Yeah, and yeah, okay, so yeah, so this is, yeah, let's go HCHO. Yeah, looks like these are, they have explained all the air quality index. So if it is green, that means good, basically red, and okay, so the purple is severe. Yeah, extreme poor. Yeah, and then indoor temperature, this symbol, and humidity, particulate matter. So this is the PM 2.5 value. So this microparticle is smaller than 2.5 microns, and so yeah, this is what yeah. So earlier when I lit the incense stick, so this went up when I put it near the when I put the stick near the filter, so this value went up. Yeah, it's basically went to like four, I think it went to red as well, and also at the moment it's showing as 3, but when I put it earlier, so it went really high. So that means this particular this PM2.5 value is really working, and the um, the purifier really detects the particulate like matter. So yeah. Yeah, so PM10. So okay, so this is smaller than 2.5, and this is smaller than 10 microns. Yeah. So this is basically yeah. So this PM 2.5, so since this went up, so this is because it's because I lit the incense stick, so it says like these include smoke, industrial emissions, and burning candles. So yeah, so that means yeah, the filter is really good, and it's like the machine detects the air quality. So yeah, so this is for the pollen and yeah, pollen. So the PM10 value is basically for pollen. So yeah, at the moment it's sitting as 2.5 in the room. So yeah, it's very good at the moment. And this is formaldehyde. So it says a common indoor pollutant. It can be emitted from many years from furnishings, paint, and glue. So um, so this is basically the smell we get when we get new furniture, or like when we paint the room. That the it might be like a scent, but it's the basically the smell we get from new carpets, like new furniture. Like when you like paint the room, we get that paint smell for like couple of days. So that's what this means. And with this, so if it is like if the value is high, so basically with a long term, but like if we in a long term, so basically we can get like lung cancer and all those things. So this is explained in the Dyson website clearly. So yeah, so if you want to like study more about this formaldehyde, so you can go to the Dyson website and see. And yeah, so basically this value should be in like in green. So yeah. And yeah, so this is VOCs. This is the odors that may be pollutant or harmful. This includes cooking, burning fuel, perfume, or cleaning products. And so yeah, at the moment it's yeah, sitting as yeah. And the next one is the nitrogen dioxide or oxide gases. So this for this detects NO2, so potential harmful gases released into the air by combustion. This include cooking gas, vehicle emissions. So it's really good. So yeah, this can detect smoke as well. So and yeah, so at the moment everything is good, so it's showing as green. And yeah, and from the app, so basically we can increase the air speed, and we can increase the temperature. You can see, yeah, and put it in the call mode. And also we can get the remote interface, so from that. So this is very handy. So at nights it's very easy to turn on and turn off the fan from the bed, like without like using the remote. So yeah, yeah, and it shows how the air quality is today, PM 2.5 to PM 10 HCHO, VOC, NO2 levels. So and yeah, if you use it for a couple of days, you can basically see the previous days and time as well. So yeah, this is the app is very good, and it gives a comprehensive idea about the air quality. And we can see the individual quality as well, like by clicking yes. At the moment there's no data, so since I just turned on the machine, wow, it's really good. Yeah, for it, yeah, you can see whether there were any like higher values in previous days, or it's basically records everything. So wow, yeah. And at this shows the filter as well, so the filter condition. And yeah, so whether it's yeah, so HEPA filter lifestyle. So since I just like, since this is a brand new machine, so basically it's like 100%. And yeah, let's see by filter. So yeah, looks like this is the filter we need to buy to replace. Okay, so when we need to replace the filter, so this is the only filter you need to replace after some time. I believe like you can use this filter for around 1 year. Again, this depends on how bad your air quality is. Like if you are living in like a very polluted area, so maybe like you'll need to replace this like every 6 months. But at the moment in Australia, so the cost is $99 for the 99 Australian dollars for the replacement filter. I'm not sure whether this is including shipping, so let's see. I'm just gonna, yeah, so yeah, so yeah, so they deliver it for free in Australia. So you just need to pay like $99 to get a replacement filter. Yeah, and it shows how to replace the filter as well. So yeah, and yeah, no notifications. Yeah, you can see other Dyson products you have. I also got the Dyson Cyclone V10. If you want me to do a review, please put a comment below. Yeah, and yeah, so you can adjust machine settings from here. So let's see what got. So it's got the serial number, Celsius, time zone, Wi-Fi, HEPA filter status. Okay, okay, so this is so you need to, if you want to check the air quality always, so you will need to turn on this continuous monitoring. So basically the machine will run I believe like maybe probably like every hour or something like that, and it will analyze the air quality in your room, even though like you don't use the machine. Like if you like turn off the air fan, where once you turn on this one, so basically this will run for like maybe like a few seconds, and this will determine what your air quality in the room. And you can manage notifications, diagnose, replace filter, and software updates. You know, do it automatically. Yeah, so you can put a Celsius or Fahrenheit, and yeah, schedule your machine. Yeah, you can set a timer like from what day to what day you need on. Wow, this is really good. So you don't really need, if you have like a regular like bedtime, so basically you can turn this on from maybe like 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. something like that. So if you go to bed like around 9 p.m. something, if you turn it on around 7 p.m., so basically the machine got like around 2 hours to clean the air in the room, and basically you are sleeping in good quality in the you'll have like good quality air in the room when you go to the bed. So that's good feature. Using your machine, yeah, it got getting started. So basically it got the full user guide. So yeah, it's a quality graph. So yeah, the good thing with Dyson is they spend a lot of money to update update their apps, and also the products are in very good quality. Like the quality is very high, but if you compare this air purifier with another brand, basically like you are paying like double when comparing to other brands. And also with the price, so this is the only air purifier like you get this much of data in the app. Yeah, and also yeah, and not I couldn't find any other air purifier which got formaldehyde feature. So it's only unique to the Dyson. And yeah, so you can access Dyson community. It's no need voice control. Okay, so you can set this up with Siri, Alexa, or Google Home. Yeah. I think it's pretty much simple, so I'm not gonna set this up with Google Home not in this video. Yeah, if you want any like integration assistance with Siri or Google Home, please leave a comment below, so I'll do another separate video how to connect to Google Home and Siri. Yeah, basically if you want to shop parts, we can basically do it from the app as well. So okay, the remote is $25 and filter shown. Okay, well, yeah, the parts are a bit cheaper. Only the expensive thing is the HEPA filter with activated carbon filter. So yeah, it's the filter is very good. So yeah, I don't really complain about the $99. And got option. Yeah, so troubleshooting, you can select your basically this direct to the Dyson website, and yeah, yeah, so if you have any issues, so basically this is like a troubleshooting guide and the machine air quality report. So yeah, so at the moment there's no report available, because since I just since it is like a brand new machine, and also I just turn it on, so it's not available. But I have turned on the continuous monitoring, and I'm gonna see how it collects the data in the next couple of days. If you want me to do like a follow-up video, please put a comment below. I will do a follow-up video about this air quality report and how the air purifier is performing. I believe that's all in the app, and yeah, so the app definitely got a lot of functions. So yeah, for the price of $899, I don't see this is a bad investment, since this got a lot of features to detect the air quality. So yeah, if you are like sensitive person for like pollen and allergies, I believe this will help. So with other reviews, so with yeah, with long-term reviews, like everyone says this does a really good job. So yeah, so I'm gonna end this video now. So if you have any questions or any suggestions, please comment below. And yeah, so overall this is a very good product. And yeah, so at the moment the PM2 values are very low. And yeah, since I lit the incense stick earlier, so now it's I opened the window as well, because there was a bit of smoke. And I didn't want to like collect smoke in the new filter. I just wanted to test whether this actually detects the smoke. It does. So these values are basically correct. It's not just a display showing some value. So it when there's something is changing in the outside, it's really big that analyze this air and then provide the data in here. So yeah, right now it's very good. Since I like open the windows, yeah, the air quality is very good. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you very much. So guys, I used the purifier for a couple of months. Just want to give you an update on how this is performing. So this is a very good purifier. So whenever we got like, we didn't have any like hay fever symptoms or anything, like because usually I get a runny nose when there's hay fever, so that avoided it. This one, when we got to the master bedroom, so it's doesn't have any smells or like bad smells or any even like good like perfume smells or anything like this. Just basically captures everything. And I can feel like I'm like breathing quality air. And also the sleep is also good when I turn it on at night. But a couple of things I want to note. So if you set the fan speed to 10, so this the sound is bit loud. So if you are like sensitive to sound, and you might not be able to like sleep properly due to this the fan noise. But if you keep it like 6-7, then it should be okay. So this is like the fan noise is like higher than like a normal, like a standard fan. And the other thing is, if you use the heater function, the electricity consumption is very high. I compared this with my living room AC with the heater function. And this is basically consuming more than the AC in my living room. And the watt value was more than 2000 watt. And yeah, so I don't recommend to use this as a heater. You can just use a normal oil heater and use this as a fan at the same time. And other than that, this is very good. Like we were getting like hay fever and all those things. And even if my wife is sick, and like if she's like sneezing or something, still like this purifier cleans all the like the viruses. And I didn't get even sick. So this is very good. This traps viruses, smoke, everything. And I highly recommend this product.